So now let's see how we can work around with ruler inside of Tinkercad. So in order to work around with ruler, first of all, I'm going to click on ruler. And if I were to click anywhere, then this is what you get. So you got the ruler on the different axes, as you can see right here. And if I were to click on this point, it just rotates out the ruler over here. I can also click on the cross button right here to just remove out the ruler. So if I were to keep, let's say for example, a tube right here, and if I were to take the ruler and click here, then you can see that it shows the distance. And I can type in the value, let's say for example 40 right here, and if I were to type in something like 40 right here, you can see that from the reference point right here, it exactly arranges out the object as per the ruler. I can click and drag this out right here, just like this, and then you can see that the ruler value changes accordingly. I can click over here to rotate out the ruler and then work around with it as well. So now, if I want to remove it, I can remove it out. Let's say for example, you want to know the exact position of the object. You can also place the ruler over here on the side, just like this. You can keep it right over here on this side. And you can see that I can make the endpoint the reference point. Click here and you can exactly know how far it is from the endpoint, just like this. And that is how you can use the ruler inside of Tinkercad. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.